How to verify radio frequency and bandwidth from ground level using Spectrum Compact. 1. Attach a coax to waveguide converter to the Spectrum Compact using a coaxial cable. 2. Enter the center frequency of the desired channel and adjust span to minimum. 3. Press Power in Band button and choose desired channel. 4. Move away from the tower to approximately a distance equal to the antenna height above ground level. Direct coaxial to waveguide converter towards the antenna at about a 45-degree angle. Coaxial to waveguide converter works as small directional antenna. Turn it either vertically for horizontal polarization or horizontally for vertical polarization, corresponding to the polarization of your installed microwave antenna. 5. Do the measurement. If, as per given example, your radio signal is outside or doesn't match the marked grey area, it means that the radio bandwidth doesn't correspond with your license. If the signal is off-center, the center frequency of the radio is misconfigured. 6. Please reconfigure the radio according to your license and repeat the measurement to make sure that both frequency and bandwidth correspond with your license. You can save the spectrum curves for future reference. You will be able to find saved file under Tools, Files menu. All of the saved files can be transferred to a PC through a USB cable, and the free Spectrum Compact PC software will give you a wide range of options for processing the data. SAF Spectrum Compact, designed with field engineer in mind.